What's the name of this?
The canal.
The canal has
Venice
a name?
Canal.
Oh yeah. Then let's see canal. That's right there. Venice Canal. Let's walk. Vienna is so cold. Come on. Getting cold, huh? I mean, the trees are all desert trees. That's what I'm talking about. The bike. Now you can feel the winds picking up here, right? Yeah. For the van? There's the fence is made of bamboo. There it is. I see the Pacific Ocean. Big water. You smell the water?
Yeah.
I smell the breeze. I smell the breeze. You look higher too, right?
The water?
Yeah. I mean, it's like up,
Oh, yeah.
you know. You look higher. So when you park at the beach there, that's a pay? Ah.
And it closes.
Huh?
And it closes.
They close a certain time? That's one way, huh? You can come out, you can come in. It goes out. That's the tower. Look at it. So beautiful, right? Oh, that's a public toilet, huh?
Yeah. We should go maybe
Huh?
at the wall.
The what?
You want here?
Well, otherwise I think we have to go down a bit.
Public toilet? The door? Right there. Oh, what is gone, huh? Like that. Look at the ocean. So the palm trees. The palm trees are different. I was telling Brianna that the palm tree don't look healthy around here.
They don't look healthy?
They don't. The trees don't look healthy.
They're supposed to be like this.
Yeah, but some places they look really different.
The tall ones aren't supposed to go here. They brought those in from somewhere.
When you go to Miami or Florida, it's still there all. Maybe it rains there a lot. We go down there to the water.
Let's go to the beach thing first.
Oh, okay. Oh, the muscle gym is down there. Oh.
English, please.
I thought it was a bird. See that?
I thought that.
Thought it was a bird.
I was like, dang. You see it?
Oh, you saying what? They brought the sands here?
Oh, what?
The sands
The sand comes with the
from
water.
Russia and everything? Some have been out, I think.
The sand is natural. Like Lake McBride. I mean Lake Michigan.
Yeah,
Not like I don't think that's
some are natural. Some have been out, they brought
But
it.
Lake Michigan is natural.
Is it natural?
Yeah.
When suns go down here, looks pretty good, huh?
With the mountains.
Yeah. So right when we're driving on the highway, that time when we see the suns, the way getting down there.
It's so small.
What? Palm tree?
For how famous it is, I thought it was going to be
Just little, like I thought it was huge.
I guess it's like the biggest one I've seen of them. And it has this whole thing.
That's like Jacob and Godfrey came over to it.
This is the second time I've seen those. I've never seen that.
What?
The tennis tables with the players like that.
Oh, understand.
No. It's like a sports thing.
So that's the Muscle Beach. Muscle, whatever,
Yeah.
gym.
I guess it is pretty big.
What's this building here? It's got a tent in there.
Why you man, ich schon so viel Bein. Why you buying the
Oh, you feel the same now, huh? Feel the same? Feel funny walking on it. Now he's gonna. It's getting your shoes. It's getting inside your shoes. Oh, you know, wearing a sandal.
Yeah, it definitely got in my shoes.
There we go. Look at that. She's strong.
Can you do the rings?
This one?
Yeah.
What's the T-hold thing called?
That's in gymnastics, right?
Yeah,
I
that's,
think
that's
it's called-
impossible. What?
I think think it maybe it's called staple.
That one.
There's different kinds. So.
That one is harder to do there.
Yeah, it's impossible.
Let me try it.
Is your back? It's been a long time, huh?
I never did this.
I thought it was in the genetics. He just
It's men's and
give to
men's.
Colin. That's harder. Is it plastic or metal?
My lotion is gonna have
Is it plastic or metal?
Let him.
There you go. Try one more again. What's with the elbow up? Can't do that one.
Let me see if I can put my arms down.
So go stand up with it. You know what I mean? You gonna try to? You can't lift yourself up?
I can't put them out.
You go ahead.
He's about to make it look stupid.
There you go. Push yourself up. 1, 2, 3, go. You gotta be strong in upper body.
In everything.
I don't think I can do it.
You gotta try. You came all the way here.
I'm gonna. There you go. I know I can lift myself up like that, but
You gotta do this one. Straight out.
that's what I'm trying to.
I tried.
Well, while open or just like
Wide-
just
all the way out.
I can do it. I have a strong elbow. Oh, without my camera stand up here. Getting sense? Sand?
Yeah.
Colin, your turn. Colin, your turn. I'm gonna be next. I'll be next. We're not here. Get in there. Train it and that one doesn't want to go.
They go out without
There
going
you
up
go.
first.
Can't go out.
Reverend.
Don't do it.
It goes here.
Yeah, gotta tight it till it hits the other side. You feel it?
I actually don't know how they do that.
Feel it? Gotta do that.
You can go. You can go. No, you can go. It's okay.
I'm gonna try too. Oh, hold on. Oh, all this time? Thought I got it, but I missed it. See? From there?
The hole isn't.
Right there. But you have to put that thing so you can feel it.
It's not lined up.
Is it? Let me see. It's in now, but gotta stop it for a second. Yeah.
It's going.
Yeah. Try, huh? I'll need that. I think I need this on me. I don't think so. I don't think you can do it.
before you go up. Try going out
Out like what?
like that.
I think he's trying.
Oh. Out. Arms straight. Oh. Is it going? Oh yeah, it is.
Flat on your hands too, right?
Yeah, it's slippery.
Huh? Yeah.
Slippery. Whew. And I just put lotion on.
Oh, you got that one? What you got? The pole? You mean put your legs straight? Is that what you're trying to say?
No,
right?
your arms like this.
I thought you got like this and put your legs like this.
Well, you could do that too.
You still like.
I don't think that's as difficult. Actually, I know that's not as difficult. Because I could do that. Yeah. Nice. Now do it with your legs behind you.
Huh?
Now do it with your legs behind you.
Behind me?
Yeah.
Like what? Put my leg with my hand?
Yeah.
Go like you're flying.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that one not possible. That's not possible. That's not possible. Oh.
Now climb up the chain.
Huh?
Climb up the chain.
That one there.
It's worn out.
Oh yeah. What we doing? Move?
Alright. Juana.
Oh, warming up too, huh?
You are.
Alright. Let's move it. That's hard on your finger.
Yeah.
Fingers like hard. So a glove. I use a glove in the gym.
And it gives you better grip.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't feel the pain. It's like boxing thing, huh?
This one you just hold on and spin?
No, that's supposed to feel the boxing. It is out.
Oh, for that.
Yeah. It hurts. Yeah. They're not easy.
You have to hit it straight on.
Yeah, hold on. Hold on. It's not easy. All this thing need a glove, man. It's like kick it too. Like glove.
Look at that palm tree. That's its
Oh, it looks
curve.
like this?
Yeah.
I think the wind, strong wind from the ocean.
say for the father of the what's his name? Joe Wills is the father of Joe. Alrighty. I've never seen this one. This one?
The ball.
Right there.
They don't have the one that you're like,
Yeah. That's what these are. There was one left.
where?
The speed guide. There's one on the far side. Further. A little one.
Where?
This one go. The small one.
I don't see it.
It's hiding. It's hiding there. The girl lady was sitting down there. It's a black thing there. A round one, small. Come here. Yeah.
The pole is in the way.
Need a glove, man.
I used to have some.
The boxing glove. See that the deep. Oh my God. That's the City Stadium. That's the guy who built this thing. That's. Huh?
Where does it say that?
What does he say? Oh, that's the Muscle Beach right there. So they have a beach in there? I mean, they have a gym in there?
Yeah, but this one.
In there?
Oh, inside? No.
Yeah, that's what they said there. There's a guy coming inside from the gym. Right here. That's the gym right there. But they moved the bars out. They don't do it anymore. It's just a display.
It's nighttime.
Is it? Oh.
Oh, it closes at 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, it closes early.
Early.